everyone. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me and my furry sidekicks for a bit today. If you're new, I'm Laura. Wyatt's the white puppy dog. Zena's the one giving us her back because she has a sweet potato fry. We're so happy you're here. I'm Laura, and I sure hope you stick around, hit that subscribe, and hang out for the long haul. Today I'm kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a bit of life, you get lots of outfits, and you get a lot of Pennsylvania weather in there, which today is cold, chilly, wet. So yesterday was the first day of fall, which kind of got past me at first. And then I realized, oh, it's kind of cold because it's the first day of fall. It is 56 right now, a high of 63. And yeah, I think it's going to get a little bit warmer after this first, hello to fall. So we shall see. But I did pick out a, cooler weather outfit for today because I am chilly. I was chilly yesterday to kick off the week. What do you think, Z? We have lots to do today. We have some videos to film. This is a travel week for me for work, so I've got to pick out clothes. I had to put in a Walmart order to be picked up today because my son is upset there's no food in the house, which there isn't. I have work to do because I'm behind. So it's going to be a pretty busy day. So we're going to get started. For outfit of the day today, I have on hidden denim from a Wantable. I have on a sweatshirt also from Wantable. Who's this one from? Oh, Project Social Tee. You remember this one, hopefully. For shoes, I am still got the toes out. Can't help myself. So these are Dolce Vita from a Trendsend. And then for jewelry, I just put on gold hoops. I have on my most recent bracelet that I just got, plus a bracelet that my husband got me, and then a Ana Luisa ring. And I think that's it. That's how we're going to start the week. Wyatt's not interested in his sweet potato fry. What's going on, buddy? Taking a break? Wyatt's sleepy. He and Harvey had another little tiff. We'll call it a tiff, a little tiff. But they're funny. I think now they may be more on the play side. So, yeah. I think they like to rumble just for fun now. It's kind of funny. Harvey used to go away and disappear for hours, and now he just runs away and then comes back after a little bit. It's funny. All right, well, we're going to start the day. Hope your week starts off amazing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Monday already. Time for outfit of the day. It's crazy. I have so much to do. That's what's crazy. It's been a busy day. Nonstop meetings. It is only 63 degrees outside, high of 69, no sun, gray day. What posted today? My Trendsend. My Trendsend posted today. It was an interesting one. I felt like my stylist was pushing some different styles on me, which I love when she pushes me because, hey, you don't know unless you try it. And I do end up sometimes picking things that I would not normally have picked. But this time I only went with 4, which is pretty low for me. You guys like the booties. I thought they were really cute as well, but I didn't keep them. I feel like I own something similar, but my life is a mess at the moment, and I have all my boots buried somewhere, so I couldn't verify. Plus, I think there will be prettier ones to come. So I did not keep those. You all like the satin skirt. I agree. I liked it too. I also know that I get cold really, really easily, and I felt like I wouldn't grab for it because it's so thin, but I do really like it. Like, that's something I would wear in the warmer weather, not the colder weather. So I didn't keep it. The other items that I did keep are things that I feel like I would grab for because I live in Pennsylvania. It's cold. I'm cold today. I did keep the little long sleeve top because that's something I would layer with. I kept the vest because I thought this was cute. I could wear it as a top by itself or over top of things. So I kept that. I kept the blouse because it was pretty. I liked it on. And I kept the I kept the jacket, which is probably no surprise to you because that's a cozy. So that's what I kept. I kept 4 items. Didn't exchange anything this time. And my husband is mailing them for me today because I don't get a break and won't make it to the post office. So off they go. And now I'm getting ready to pack. And yeah, I have to head to work early in the morning tomorrow. I come back, dump my suitcase, and get ready to go on vacation. Come back, dump my suitcase, and get ready to go back to work. So those are my keepers from my Trendsend. Hope you check it out because it was still fun to try on pieces that I think are a little bit outside of my normal style. I got an amazing card. I wanted to show you guys. How pretty is this? Is that not awesome? So a huge shout out to Jenny, one of my amazing subscribers who always comments on my videos, always just sprinkles a little bit of light into my day all the time. I know I don't get to answer a lot because life is just too chaotic, but she wrote me the sweetest note. It really just brightened my whole week, and I so very much appreciate it. It was a birthday card, and yeah. So Jenny, thank you for the beautiful note that really did brighten up my whole week. I so appreciate it. Thank you. For outfit of the day today, I have on cut from the cloth pants that I got in a Trendsend, paired it with a sweater from Z Supply that I got in a Wantable. Of course, I put on one of my bralettes from Cabi. How awesome does that match? Love this one. And let's see, for shoes, I'm still rocking toes. So I put on my Paley heel from a Trendsend. These are Dolce Vita. And I just have gold hoops on. I have on the same bracelets you've been seeing for some time now. And that's my outfit today. All right, I got to get back to work. Hope you're doing fabulous. I have no sidekicks today. Wyatt was sleeping, and I guess he didn't feel like coming upstairs. Zena's out like a light, and Harvey sprawled in the entryway. So I'm alone today. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Tuesday. It is early in the morning, not even 6:30 yet. 57 degrees out, high of 63 today. And I've got to get on the road so I can get to work at a decent time. And let's see, for today, I picked a front door fashion outfit. It was just easy. It was already put together for me, so I love when that happens. Nick and Zoe jacket and Michael Starr's tank and AG denim. Love this whole outfit from my stylist. Paired it with Dolce Vita shoes. And where did I get these? It's a good question. I feel like I got them in a JV Stylebox, actually. And then let's see, for jewelry, I put on I packed mostly all gold, so I did a silver gold combo today. So I did these Jenny Bird earrings that I just got from the Nordstrom sale. I didn't do a necklace because the earrings seemed kind of, you know, big for my small head. And then I did my Rocks Box ring. And I have to go downstairs. I have my 3 bracelets that Lisa got me. I'm going to add the 2 silver as well when I get downstairs, match my silver buttons going on here. So I'm going to do a combo. And that is my outfit today. So I hope you are having a great week. And yeah, I'll be back tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. It's still kind of cool. Let's see, 52 right now. Supposed to get up to 66. And for outfit of the day today, I have on, I'm already stumped. What denim do I have on? Let me see, I think it's Joe. Yeah, I think it's Joe denim that I got from, I think from Nordstrom. And then I have on a Michael Starr's tee that I got from Trendsend. And then I have this awesome jacket by Liverpool that I just got in a Wantable, which I'm in love with. Is this not the most amazing jacket? For shoes, I put on oldies from my closet, but goodies. These are Vince Camuto, the open toe and open heel because it's a little cooler. And for jewelry, I have on a necklace that I think I got from Stella and Dot, I think. Boy, I'm off today. Just gold hoops, a ring from Ana Luisa, and then I have my stack of bracelets that you've been seeing a lot lately. Yep. That's my outfit today. You can tell it's early, right? All right, I gotta get to work. Hope you're doing fabulous. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everyone, it is Thursday. Time for outfit of the day. It's only 47 degrees outside. Interesting. It's gonna get up to 65. And yeah, but 47 doesn't sound good to me. Oh my, all right. Well, for outfit of the day today, I have a Cabi outfit on. I have Cabi denim, Cabi top, and I have my Cabi jacket, so it's a good thing since it's only 47 degrees outside right now. So yeah, I'm going all in Cabi for today's outfit. I put on Vince Camuto shoes that were from a Trendsend. And for jewelry, I have on a Love AJ necklace, and then I paired it with I think this necklace is from a Loft, so it's stacked. And then I have earrings from my amazing friend Lisa, and bracelets. My bracelets are also from her, and of course, you know my bracelet I got when I was in Vegas. And that's, oh, and I have a Ana Luisa ring on that I've worn already this week. And that's my outfit today. All right, we've almost made it to Friday. It's been a busy week, so I hope everyone's doing fabulous, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, guess what day it is? It's Friday. We made it to Happy Dance Day. How what? We made it to Happy Dance Day. We did it. We made it. What do you think, bud? What do you think? You're such a good boy, huh? You're so funny. We made it. Why, it was a good boy. He was waiting for me when I got home. Huh. Such a good boy. You try, don't you? It is a sunny, pretty day today. It is 69, so let's get to 74. Sunshiny. Wyatt likes it sunshiny, huh? And Zena's sleeping. She is sound asleep. Harvey's in the basement, sprawled out on the couch. So, yeah, things are pretty normal here. Let's see. My armoire posted on Wednesday. So I hope you check that one out because there was some really good fun pieces in there. I can't wait to wear them. And what else? I have emptied my suitcase and now I have to fill it back up again. We are leaving Sunday. So there probably will not be an outfit of the day next week. So there will be one. Obviously, I'm creating this one. But next week, I'm taking time off. So there won't be one for the following weeks. Maybe I can do some shorts, but I won't be doing the collection of outfits. So just keep that one in mind. And I hate to disappoint, but I think I really need to just try to unplug as much as possible. For today's outfit, I have on Faherty shorts because it's a nice day out. And I threw on, I got them in a Wantable, threw on an express tank and then a cardigan because it's cooler this morning from the Loft. I'm just wearing flip-flops today. These are from Old Navy. And then I have on earrings that my friend Lisa got me that are Love AJ. I have a Love AJ necklace on. And then I have a Love AJ ring on actually also. And then my rings I've been wearing all, my bracelets I've been wearing all week. And that's my outfit today. All right, I gotta get back to work. We have one more outfit coming at you tomorrow. Hey everyone, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. Both Zena and Wyatt joining me today. They have sweet potato fries. They're super happy. The sun is out, but it's chilly right now. It should, yeah, 56, but it's gonna get up to the high 70s. So it should be a beautiful day. And let's see, my Wantable Fall Trends box posted today. Love the Liverpool jacket. As you know, you saw it earlier this week. It's amazing. I got so many compliments on that jacket when I wore it. So it was a definite keeper. And then the other item I kept from that box was this cute little Z Supply sweater. I really loved it. I think I'm going to take it on vacation with me. It's just such a cute transition piece. So those were my two keepers. I really liked the skirt, but since I had just kept the Articles of Society skirt in the previous box. I thought I would just go with that one. All right, what else, guys? It's a busy weekend, so we're trying to get ready to pack and leave town for a few days. So that's what I'll be busy doing this weekend. I do have one video I want to get filmed for you guys also, so hopefully I can get that done. I'm excited about. For outfit of the day today and final outfit of this week, I have on Dear John vegan leather shorts that I've been dying to wear. These came in a Wantable. Paired it with a Free People top. You may remember from a JB Stylebox. And then a cut from the cloth denim jacket from a Trendsend. And then my shoes also from a Trendsend. You remember I've been wearing these all summer. They're a Dolce Vita. And for jewelry, I have on gold hoops and then a necklace. You're getting a preview from a video coming up next week from Ana Luisa. Super cute. And then a ring from, I believe this one is from Stella & Dot. And then a bracelet that was a gift for my husband. And then you've seen this one. And that's my outfit. I'll list all my outfits down below as always. If I can link to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so I'll list all the boxes. And I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing it. Share your favorite outfit and can't wait to read your comments. Thanks so much for hanging out with me this week. So appreciate it. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.